Welcome to Nirvana, the freedom from every traffic problem. So, this is our working model and it includes 5 components. The first one is the traffic light, as you can see here. The second one is the RFID scanner that we propose to put on each and every traffic light. The third is the RFID reader, which we propose to put 500 meter behind the traffic light. Fourth is what we call the app of Nirvana. And fifth component is the most important of them all, which connects all these 4 apps, which is the online database. Now let's hop on to the functioning of each of these components. Now this is the traffic light. We have set it to change every 20 seconds. Now whenever it changes its color, it registers in the DB whether it's green and or red. So currently you could see it's green. Now as soon as this changes, it will change into red. So here you could see that. Now this is the RFID scanner which is put on the traffic light. So its purpose is whenever it scans the RFID tag, it automatically checks whether the traffic light was red or green. If it's green, then it would allow it to pass, but if it was red, then it would automatically record in the database in the jump section, as you could see there. Now this is the third component, which is the RFID reader that was put 500 meter behind the traffic light. Now its purpose, whenever a normal vehicle comes to place, it would do nothing, but whenever an emergency vehicles comes, it would record in the database that emergency vehicle, yes, as you could see in the database. And then automatically the traffic light here would turn to green irrespective of the fact that it was red or green. And then also here a message would come, emergency vehicles passing by. And then what would happen is since emergency vehicle is registered as yes, now it cannot be that it is continuously green. So we need to know a system that it automatically registers that ambulance has left this lane. So what will happen is, first it's scanned there, then when it would be scanned there, then it would then the system would know that the ambulance has left the lane. So automatically this traffic light would become normal once again and do its normal functioning. Now this is what we call the app of Nirvana, where you could check who jumped the traffic light and register a new car in the database. Whenever you register a new car in the database, it would show something like that, and this is the car we registered of the teacher in our class. So now, and when you see when you check who jumped the traffic light, you could fetch the data. So currently the data is reset and it shows no one jumped the traffic light, because as you can see in jumps there is no data. So now we go to main menu. Now instead of the RFID tags and RFID scanners, we have used QR code scanners and QR codes. So it's pretty much the same thing, but QR codes are much slower. Now this QR code has the information of the car that we registered with the teacher. So let's see how it functions in this system. So currently the traffic light is red. Let's wait till it gets green and see what happens. Now it's green, so let's just pass it through this. Now since it's green, nothing much happened. It's like the same thing. But as soon as it turns red, what would happen is, let me just show you. So right now it's red. So now whenever I pass it through this and then this, now what happened was that, as you can see in the database, that there was one there was one modification in that jump tag, and one data registered of this car, and also an SMS was sent. So here, and now let's come to show you the Nirvana app. Now let's check what can we do in the Nirvana app. So we just check who jumped the traffic light. Now we fetch the data. So here, as you can see, all the details of the person who jumped the traffic light have come. And now if we want, we could reset the data here. And now the data resetted successfully. And when we check who jumped the traffic light, when we fetch the data, there is no data. And also that because when we clicked reset the data, it automatically reset in the database. this is a special QR code we are gonna assign to emergency vehicles only. Now the speciality here is whenever it jumps the traffic light, it won't get detected in the database, it won't register in the database. Also, like we saw in the previous, the normal QR code which was assigned to normal vehicles, it really did nothing when it passed through that 500 meter scanner. But it would be completely different in this case. Let's see how. So as soon as I pass it through the scanner that was 500 meter before, see how the traffic light behaves. It says emergency vehicles passing by, and automatically the traffic light turns green. Now the ambulance is moving here. Now the system needs to know that ambulance has left, otherwise it cannot keep it forever, right? So when it gets scanned on the traffic light here, it automatically resets to its normal traffic function. In this working model, we have included only two functions of the whole project. But as if we get selected to the next round, we'll definitely try to incorporate the maximum number of functions we can do. And also thank you to all the teachers who gave the really good feedback on our project, like the one where we had to do cost analysis. That was a really good suggestion, and we'll definitely try to implement that.